Hey guys, it's Graham here, and today I'm going to give you a couple quick tips to make sure your lawn looks the best it can look this year. Starting off, we're going to go into weed control. A lot of customers are asking me right now what they can do to make sure their lawn is weed free this summer. So let's get into that. Right now we're in the middle of weed season and our customers are asking how they can prevent or eliminate the weeds on their yard. So there's two easy options. The first option is just to mechanically remove the weed. Now this can be done easily with just a flat screwdriver. Poke a couple holes around the weed and pull it out. The second option, if you have multiple weeds or a real large area, is using a weed spray or a weed control application. Now this will be a chemical application that will get applied to your lawn. Now it's available at home hardware centers, or you can hire a company to spray for you. Once you got your weeds under control, we should talk about cutting frequency and cutting height. So how often do you cut your lawn and at what height? A good rule of thumb is to start at 2.5 inches. So when it's wet and cool, you're going to want to cut your lawn at 2.5 inches every week or so, 5 to 7 days. When it's dry and really hot, you're going to want to change that frequency to 10 to even 14 days and raise your mower height to 3 and even 3.5 inches high. What the longer grass is going to do is promote a deeper root growth, which is going to retain moisture in your lawn and keep it from going brown. So on dry spells, or when we're in a drought, we want to make sure that our lawn is getting enough water so that it doesn't turn brown. So you can see this lawn is nice and green. Part of that is the other reason I explained with the lawn height and the cutting frequency, but another main factor is making sure the moisture level of your soil is the right amount. Now you can easily do this by sticking a screwdriver in the ground and seeing when you pull it out what the moisture content is. If you're unsure and your lawn is brown, you probably need to water it. So should you mulch your lawn or bag your lawn? It's a common question that we get asked all the time. Most people bag their lawn. What they don't know is they're throwing away natural nutrients that your lawn could use to help grow. Now, when should you bag and when should you mulch? So we recommend that you bag your lawn in the springtime and the fall time. What it's going to do is provide that initial cleanup and that final cleanup just before the transition seasons. The rest of the time, we actually recommend you mulch your lawn. Now this is going to take the grass clippings and recycle them back into the lawn and help promote growth. It's like a natural fertilizer. It's going to prevent insects and weeds, and it's going to naturally fertilize your lawn so it's healthy, thick, and green. Okay, let's recap. If you have weeds, we're going to want to eliminate them. So grab your flat screwdriver and pop them out of the ground. If you have a large area, you probably want to opt to weed control spray, whether you do it yourself or hire a professional to give you a hand. Next, you're going to want to look at your cutting schedule and your cutting height. If you have cool, rainy weather, you're going to want to have a frequent schedule of every 5 to 7 days and adjust your mower to 2.5 inches. If it's a dry and hot period, you're going to want to adjust your mower to 3.5 inches and cut your lawn every 10 to 14 days. You're going to want to bag your lawn clippings in the spring and fall and mulch your lawn clippings throughout the summer. This will help replenish the nutrients back into your lawn, preventing weeds and pests and promoting a natural lawn growth. And finally, if your lawn is brown, you're going to want to water it as it's going through a drought. With these tips, you can have a nice green lawn this summer.